Yeah. Yes.
This is the beginning of the end for me. I'm gonna become a full-blown vegetarian. I actually really like these burgers. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again with another quick and easy recipe. We're gonna kick this one off with some diced capsicum. Now, we're gonna go ahead and dice up some onions. Bring on the fresh cilantro. Go ahead and chop that up as well. Once your diced veggies are good to go, you're going to saute them in a pan with a liberal amount of oil. I'll explain later on in the video why this is significant. The main goal in sauteing these veggies is to soften them and render out and evaporate as much of the water as possible. While this is going on, you can go ahead and crack open your can of red kidney beans. Once the beans are rinsed, you're going to pull out your optimum dexterity and go ahead and give them a quick mash. Once the veggies have begun to caramelize, you can add the crushed black pepper and paprika. At some point, you'll start to notice that a lot of the hydration has rendered out of the veggies. This is when you can go ahead and incorporate them with your mashed beans. At this stage, you can begin to add the salt. Use as much or as little as you want, whatever suits your taste palette. The salt is now followed by oregano and cumin. The last two ingredients you will be using will be eggs and breadcrumbs. These will help bind and bring all of your ingredients together, especially when cooking. Give that all a quick mix and proceed to put it in the fridge for about an hour or so. If you use the right amount of oil to saute the veggies, the entire batch will actually begin to congeal once the temperature drops. This will make it much easier to form, mold, and shape patties. Now that your veggie mix has become firm, you can begin to mold and shape them into patties. These patties will be dredged in breadcrumb to give them a nice golden brown crust upon frying. Dress up your burger however you see fit. Me personally, I like to go with an Alabama-inspired white barbecue sauce, fresh onions, tomatoes, and lettuce. The most important thing is that you enjoy your burger. So have at it, go crazy, experiment, try new things. Yeah, just enjoy it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can always hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. All right, y'all, take it easy. Until next time.